It is a busy day at the Value Villages Fish and Leather Limited that is located near the shores of Lake Turkana in a remote area known as Loropio, some 80 kilometers north of Loda town. It is a unique startup that is transforming lives in Turkana County. Simply known as Value Villages, the company is in the business of processing fish, chicken feeds and leather.
These are protective clothing, because now you need your gumboots.
For us to enter the fish processing plant, safety and hygiene procedures first.
Ready to go? Okay, let's go.
With the company's Chief Executive Officer, James Ambani, taking us through the relevant measures to observe.
So we leave any germs here.
I am accompanied by my colleague, Alex Chamwada. The fish processed here is from Lake Turkana, the world's largest desert lake. It is supplied by local fishermen.
When the whole fish comes from the lake, first of all, it comes when it's very dirty, isn't it?
This is so huge.
Yes, this is a Nile perch. This is not huge. This is askofu ilikuwa kilo ngapi? 11. So, yes,
11 kilos.
But the Nile perch we get sometimes goes up to 70, even 100 kgs.
100 kg?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Value Villages exclusively processes the Nile perch. On a good day, and especially from July all the way to October, the plant can handle as much as 1 ton of fish, which translates to about 450 kgs of fillet.
We receive whole fish from the fishermen, like what we have here, and then we wash it first clean, then it goes through a filleting process. So the filleter cuts the fish, separates the meat from the bone. And then we have a skinner who removes the skin, and the trimmers who make the portions.
The fillet slices are dipped into ice water to chill before they are put in these packaging bags. After packaging, they are placed in metallic trays. Each tray weighs about 6 kgs of fillet. After packaging, the fillet is stored in the cold room.
The purpose of using this metallic tray is because when you put it in the cold room, you want it to freeze very fast. Okay? What we did is we provided a cold storage chain here. So we have an ice flake machine which produces 5 tons of ice in a day. So to reduce that post-harvest waste, when the fishermen bring their fish, we are able to store it in the ice, so we don't get waste at all, we don't get fish that is spoiled. And also along the shores of the beach, we are working with other partners where we'll be providing this ice at the lakeside, so that if the fishermen get their fish and they are unable to bring it here to the market, they can be able to store their fish in ice so that they can reduce that post-harvest waste.
That is it when you talk of matters fillet processing, and there are many byproducts.
One of the byproducts is this one, the head and the frame. That one is what?
The head, eh?
Yes, the head and the frame, yes. So this is what we are going to use for chicken feeds. And you see it comes with a lot of meat on it as well, and that's why it's very nutritious for the chicken. Now this is a swim bladder. This one is called a swim bladder. Yes. So this is highly prized. This is
What helps the fish to swim?
yes, to buoyancy. So this one is going to be exported to China.
For what?
They use it for medicinal purposes. They eat it. It's highly prized. So they say it's good for the skin, for your hair, for anti-aging. Yes.
Anti-aging?
Yes.
I want to have that.
Everybody would want to have that. So all this is going to be packaged. This fat, we'll package it, freeze it, and then we sell it. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
We've learned a lot.
This is a good piece of skin.
The other important byproduct is the fish skin.
It's tougher than cow skin. I'll demonstrate to you. You see, cow skin, if you look at the fibers, they run straight like this. But these ones, they warp. Yeah, I'll show you on a finished skin. So when they warp, it makes the skin very, very tough.
It's a byproduct as well.
Yeah, this is a byproduct. We used to throw it away, but now we use it either for poultry feeds or for leather. And the leather is exotic leather. Actually, it's an alternative to snake leather. or alligator leather.
Quite precious.
Very precious.
And the value chain continues. The fish bones are used in the manufacture of chicken feeds.
This, you call this what?
This is fish meal.
Fish meal, eh?
Yeah. This is sunflower.
This sunflower?
This is sunflower that we use as part of our ingredients. This is wheat pollard.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. There we have maize bran. And we also have wheat on the other side.
Okay.
We have soya. This is soya.
Production of chicken feeds at value villages has contributed to the interest of commercial chicken rearing in the village.
For the school, they have a farm which we also use as a demo farm because we want our clients to see how the chicken are feeding, how they are growing, how they look like. So we have that, and for the school that is important for them because they're able to provide food for their students. They provide eggs every day, they get chicken for food at the farm. So I think we relate very well. They also get fish from us.
Value Villages Fish and Leather Limited has had a great impact on the neighboring Loropio community by creating job opportunities. The company has 10 employees, but the workforce sometimes jumps to 50 when there is a huge supply of fish.
All our employees are local people. They came here with no skills at all. So we trained them, and right now you can see they're all skilled workers. So we've been able to give them some knowledge, some technical skills that they can use. We've given them employment, and they can be able to get some earning for their children. We train both women and men. The women are good. We like them because they come to work every day. Sometimes the men, they get money, and tomorrow they say they are not feeling well because probably they passed through somewhere. So women are consistent. They are good at multitasking. And when you employ a woman, you build a village. Yes.
Reporting for Chams Media from Lodwar in Turkana County, my name is Lauren Nanok.